Welcome back to COMPXM Capsim COMPXM version 2024-2025. In the last video, we have shown you the top 10 winning tips to tip number 6, calculate the sales forecast for round 2. You can check the previous video for the round 1 and detail of round 2. And now we calculate I give you how to calculate the production for COMPXM round 2. I'll show you now. So we have the production screen here, right? Production for round 2. We have 8 products now. It is very easy to win from now. So it's just input the number of production schedule, right? So we have calculated in the marketing video. We have calculated this. For now, we just put in the number of production schedule by the forecast deduct inventory, right? So 1628 here, 1308, right? 1135 and 1734, 1043, 46, 2619 and 2296, right? So this is very important. We double check that, and for new product we can calculate based on the old product, maybe half, maybe 60%. It's okay, right? And now it's our job to increase capacity for product. So we see for this version sample, right, tip here called nano analysis, and then you need to check that carefully in your videos to make sure you get the right number, the right order of the product also. Again, this for this version I'm showing you is a tip here called here nano analysis tip called nano. You need to check that carefully. You can look at the number of the automation to identify it also, right? So this also be 6, 5, 5 and 8 higher automation for low cost product, right? Higher automation for low cost product, right? So 6, 5, 5, 8, right? 6, 5, 5, 8. We check the total budget if you have enough budget, and yeah, the production capacity 300, we can produce max 600, and this we can produce max 1800. So we check it again. So this very detailed video, step by step guide, I have guided you to the tip to calculate the production. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.